皆さんこんにちは。This is week 4 video. In this video, you can learn about 5 W's and 1 H in Japanese. Actually, we explain with prepositions and we haven't checked well, but let's try to understand briefly today. These are 5 W's and 1 H. Very important word for question. Let's listen the dialogue first. There are all of them included.
ミカさん、明日は何をしますか？
友達とライブに行きます。
誰のライブで、どこでいつしますか？
昔から好きなアイドルのライブで、渋谷で夜7時からライブがあります。
それまではどうやって過ごしますか？
カフェに行ったり、買い物をします。
なぜそのアイドルが好きですか？
歌声が好きなんです。
Have you heard of all of them? Let's listen again with Japanese sentence.
ミカさん、明日は何をしますか？
友達とライブに行きます。
誰のライブで、どこでいつしますか？
昔から好きなアイドルのライブで、渋谷で夜7時からライブがあります。
それまではどうやって過ごしますか？
カフェに行ったり、買い物をします。
なぜそのアイドルが好きですか？
歌声が好きなんです。
Let's check new vocabulary for getting understood this dialogue. Live is live by musicians. Basically we use for pops or rocks musicians. We don't use live play by orchestra, but we use concerto for like classical music. 誰 is who, どこ is where, and いつ is when. We gotta see more about 5 W's and 1 H at grammar part. 昔 it's long time ago. It's like time now. This is more like expression of past. For example, if you want to say like I used to live in Kyoto, we say like 昔京都に住んでいました。But this long time ago could be like few years ago, few months ago, maybe 50 years ago. It's really based meaning. Idol, it's import word of idol, but different meaning. They are like a group singers or dancers of usage. In Japan, idol is like one of our culture. Most of top charts of music are made by Japanese idols. まで it's preposition to show to, but about duration. You've learned color it's from, so this まで is set of them. We check more for next lesson. どう is how. In dialogue, Alex said どのように and this is like how to. 過ごす it's spend. This is group 1 verbs. Cafe, it's cafe. Import word from English. なぜ it's why. 歌 it's sing. 声 it's voice. We say 歌声 as singing voice. It's combination of 歌 and 声, but we add 2 dots to make them pronounce easily. Let's check 5 W's and 1 H. Who, it's 誰. When, it's いつ. Where, it's どこ. What, it's 何. Why, it's なぜ. And how, it's どう. Please remember these as very basic. We put some prepositions or we change depends on questions like these. Basic meaning of them are the same, but we use them different situation. Because we haven't checked about prepositions well, let's think simply today. We always think about where here. I pick it up. どこに、どこから、どこまで。For example, どこにいますか？どこから来ましたか？どこまで行きますか？ In English, this means where do you live? Where are you from? Where do you want to go? 2. It's preposition like at, to, so it's like where at you are. から it's preposition from, so it's like where from you come. まで it's preposition to, so it's like where to you go. It looks so difficult, but probably simple if you already know about Japanese word. But what is difficult is I can't come up with all possibilities of these words. It's so quite a lot. Let's think simple when you find new 5Ws and 1H. Before listening again, let's check 5Ws and 1H in the dialogue. 明日は何をしますか？ What are you doing tomorrow? 誰のライブでどこでいつしますか？ Who, where, and when the live hold. Until that time, how you spend. なぜそのアイドルが好きですか？ Why do you like that idol? These sentences must be simple. Anyway, let's listen to today's dialogue again.
ミカさん、明日は何をしますか？
友達とライブに行きます。
誰のライブでどこでいつしますか？
昔から好きなアイドルのライブで、渋谷で夜7時からライブがあります。
それまではどうやって過ごしますか？
カフェに行ったり、買い物をします。
なぜそのアイドルが好きですか？
歌声が好きなんです。
Let's check with quick revise.
ミカさん、明日は何をしますか？
友達とライブに行きます。
誰のライブでどこでいつしますか？
昔から好きなアイドルのライブで、渋谷で夜7時からライブがあります。
それまではどうやって過ごしますか？
カフェに行ったり、買い物をします。
なぜそのアイドルが好きですか？
歌声が好きなんです。
At the next lesson, we're going to check the prepositions. It's a lot, and you might be confused, but must be useful too.
お疲れ様でした。よろしければ他の動画もご覧ください。Please check other videos. またお会いしましょう。